Khaby Lame is a 21 years old TikTok sensation. He was born in Senegal but based in Italy. He became known for his short comedy skits where he sarcastically points out people who complicate their simple tasks for no reason at all, without speaking even a word, or just by using his simple and small mobile phone. In 2020 August, he became one of the most followed TikTokers in the world, more than 100 million followers. In 2020, he lost his factory job, but now his net worth is more than $2 million. Khaby Lame is one of the greatest motivation and inspiration to all of us, the young, desireful teens and teenagers. I hope this small video gives you a gigantic boost up to launch yourself, to start doing something, start making something. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. At the end, I wish you a very, very happy, healthy, wealthy and peaceful life ahead.